Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that promises to be a game changer for your daily routine, the Minimalist 10% Advanced Vitamin C Serum. We've discovered this gem online and have included a link in the description, so you can check out the latest pricing and availability. Now, let's get into what the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum is all about. This serum features a potent 10% concentration of ethyl ascorbic acid, a next-generation stable vitamin C derivative. What sets this serum apart is its impressive 86% pure vitamin C content, which is significantly higher than what you'll find in many other vitamin C products that typically contain 40 to 50%. This means you're getting a more effective product that targets multiple skin concerns efficiently. One of the standout features of this serum is its ability to brighten the skin. It works by reducing melanin production, which helps to visibly fade dark spots, acne marks, tanning, and overall dullness. In fact, studies show that 90% of users reported a noticeable fading of dark spots, while 88% experienced improved skin radiance within just 4 weeks of consistent use. That's some impressive feedback. Another important aspect to highlight is the serum's commitment to clean and transparent beauty. It's free from fragrances, parabens, silicones, sulfates, and is also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. The high-purity ETVC ethyl ascorbic acid in this formulation is sourced from a leading global ingredient supplier, ensuring that you're applying quality ingredients to your skin. Now, who is this serum suitable for? The Minimalist Vitamin C Serum is designed for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin. This product can accommodate your needs. It's even formulated to be safe for sensitive skin, thanks to the inclusion of centella water. This versatility makes it a fantastic option for both men and women looking to enhance their skincare routine. So, how do you incorporate this serum into your daily regimen? It's quite simple. After cleansing and toning your face, just take 2 to 3 drops of the serum using the dropper provided. Gently tap it onto your skin, allowing it to absorb fully. You can use it both in the morning and at night, making it an easy addition to your skincare lineup. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're someone who struggles with dark spots left behind from acne or sun exposure, this serum could be a vital part of your healing process. Additionally, if you simply want to add a brighter, more radiant glow to your complexion, this product can help you achieve that without overwhelming your skin. For those looking to revitalize their skincare routine or target uneven skin tones, this serum definitely deserves a spot on your shelf. It's easy to use, effective, and suitable for a wide range of skin types. In conclusion, the Minimalist 10% Advanced Vitamin C Serum is a standout product that has the potential to brighten and revitalize your skin. With its high concentration of stable vitamin C, clean formulation, and suitability for all skin types, it's definitely worth considering if you're on the hunt for a reliable brightening serum. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.